Welcome to this course, WhatsApp e-commerce store. So this is a complete guide on how to set up a standard WhatsApp e-commerce store that you can use to sell your products and services. Alright, so in this course I'll be showing you step by step how you can set up a WhatsApp e-commerce store that you can use to showcase your products and services, and it will be easy for you to sell it to your contacts. Okay, share your link to your contacts, and potential buyers and active buyers can easily buy from you. So in this course we'll be covering the app you need to use to set up your WhatsApp e-commerce store. Then we'll be showing you how to use this app, that is a walkthrough of the features of this app, and we'll be taking you step by step on how to set up your first store, and also we'll also show you how to integrate online and offline bank payment on your store. So these are the things and many more we'll be covering in this course. Alright, so let's go into the course proper. So the app we'll be using to build our WhatsApp e-commerce store is called Vipa. Okay, formerly it was called WhatsHash, but now they rebranded to Vipa. Alright, so you go to your Play Store and download this app. Okay, then the Vipa is spelled as VEPAAR. So you download it or you install it. So I'm installing the app right away. Alright, so our app has downloaded. So we're going to open the app. So at this point, you are going to sign up. Okay, if you have already signed up, you log in or you sign in. But if you have not, then you create an account. So we'll be creating an account here. Okay, then I'm going to put my name, my email, and my password. So I'm going to pause this video to do that quickly. Okay, so I'm going to click on create account. Alright, so I'm going to put my business name, about your business, and you're going to fill up the required informations. Okay, so quickly I'm going to David Chinaza Coaching and Consult. Right, we train individuals and corporate bodies on how to use the internet to grow their business. Okay, then I'm going to put my WhatsApp number. Alright, then you're going to select your currency, the currency you'll be using to receive payments, or you'll be using to declare the amount of your product. So it has already dictated Nigeria, and I will click on continue. Alright, here it says add a cover photo. Okay, you can add a cover photo. Let me quickly check my gallery to see if I can find any cover photo. Alright, so after adding your cover photo and your profile picture, you'll be asked to choose which feature interests you most. So I'll be choosing store. Alright, I'll click on continue. Then you will also answer the subsequent questions that come up with it. So I'll click on small company. I'll click on continue. Business category. Okay, I'll click on software and technology. I'll click on finish. Okay, it says email not verified. So at this point you have to verify your email. Okay, so you have to go to the email that you used to sign up to verify your email. So I'll be doing that right away. So this is the email I got from them. So I'll click on this button to activate my account. Okay, when I click on it, it brought me back here. So let me go back to my email, click on activate account. All right, so my account is activated. Can you see? I just got an email. You are now verified on Vipa. Account activated. Can you see that? So I can now proceed to create my store. All right. Also, if you have not added your cover photo, your shop cover photo or profile image, and you want to do it, you can do it anytime. You just simply click on this gallery or picture icon beside your store name. Okay, you click on it and you can upload your profile image and your cover photo, and I'll be doing that right away. So I'll click on gallery, I'll click on choose from gallery, and I will allow the app to access my gallery. Okay, all right, so I'm going to select an image for my profile, right? And I'll click on this good icon. So to add your cover image, you click on this image icon. Okay, select the image you want to add. You can scale it to fit into this dimension. Okay, then you click on this good icon. All right, so we have our profile image and our cover image added. Then we can scroll down and click on save. It says successfully updated. Okay, so we can go back, then we will create our store. So let's have a quick walkthrough around the app. Okay, so as soon as you've opened your app, signed up, and verified your account, this is what you are going to see. Okay, then we will start building our store, setting it up. So you're going to see your dashboard, and you're going to see the store analytics, you're going to see the store functions, you're going to see the CRM functions. CRM means customer relation management. Okay, so this is the CRM tool, customer relation management tools that you can use. Then you see the settings, you see others, and you see other links here. All right, at the top left side of your screen, you will see 3 vertical lines. When you click on it, you will see the full screen option. You will see my profile. On the profile, you can edit your profile, change password, delete account. When you go back, you will see subscription. This shows you the plan you are using in this app, and that is the free plan. Okay, you will see privacy policy, you will see terms of use. Right, then at the top right side of your dashboard, you will see chat with us and the notification icon. All right, so below you will see the name of your store, and you will see the link to your store. You can change this link later to a customized link. I will show you how to do that. Then you can see the share button. With this share button, you can share the link to your store. Okay, you can copy and share the link to your store. Then you see edit share message. You can edit the default share message that comes up whenever you want to share your link. All right, so we'll be dealing with the store category, but before we go into that, we need to set up our account properly. So we'll be using these settings to fix up everything that we need for our store. All right, so you can see your business profile. When you click on it here, you will see your profile image, cover image, about your business, which we filled when we started. All right, then you can see your contact number. So here we have done that when we started. You add your contact number, and you can still add another one by using this plus icon below. All right, then you see your social media links. So you need to add your social media link. Okay, the link to your social medias. Okay, so let's say you use Facebook, so you're going to add the link to your Facebook. Let me add this quickly. All right, okay, Facebook. Okay, David Chinaza coaching. Okay, so you click on create. So I've added my Facebook link. If you want to add more, like your Instagram, you just click on the plus icon, click on platform, you select the social media handle you want to add and add your link. Okay, then you add your URL. All right, so but for this I'm just going to add my Facebook. Then after that you need to add links. Now what are these links? These links are external links. Okay, external links that you want to be added to your store. Okay, let me give this, let me just call this digital marketing HubSpot. Okay, so this is an external link to my blog. All right, so let me just okay, description, let me say blog, our blog. Right, you can create it. Right, you can add more links. All right, so you can as well add your WhatsApp link. Okay, you can add your WhatsApp link. When you create a customized WhatsApp link, you can just add it. Let me just say WhatsApp link, WhatsApp contact, direct link. Okay, then you can just add your WhatsApp link. WhatsApp link looks like this, wa.link. Okay, slash. All right, and say our WhatsApp link. Okay, you can click on create. All right, so under social media, let's see if we will see WhatsApp too, so we can add WhatsApp if there is anything WhatsApp. Okay, yes, you can see WhatsApp. So here you can as well add your WhatsApp link. If you use WhatsApp Business, you can go to your settings and get your WhatsApp link. If you don't use WhatsApp Business, you can as well create a WhatsApp link using this website. All right, then after their website, they are going to, after the /, okay, you will have your unique link. All right, your unique link will look like this, something like this. Okay, when people click on it, it will direct them to your WhatsApp with a default message. All right, so let's continue. So let's look at the domain settings. When you click on the domain, okay, the domain icon is going to bring you to this page. Here you can attach your own domain. Your domain means your website. So if you have a website, you can link this store to your website. And if you don't have a website, this app is going to give you a unique URL, a unique store URL, okay, with their own domain. All right, so you can see my own here. My own is quite long. All right, so I'm going to change it. You can change it here, but if it's not available, they're going to tell you that it's not available, and you can create another one that is available. All right, so when I change it, it's going to change here at this top part of the screen. You can see that my URL is long. It's quite a long one. Okay, it's quite a long one, so I'm going to change it to something shorter. So I'll come to domain under settings, and I will click here. Okay, I'll click here and I'll change it to something. You can say David Chinaza store. This David Chinaza store. Okay, and I will click on save. If it's available, it's going to save. Said successfully updated. Okay, so my domain has changed. When I go back to my dashboard, can you see David Chinaza store? So this is how you can change your domain. All right, so the next part is the integrations. So these integrations has to do with integrating your Facebook pixel, integrating Google Analytics. Okay, and Google Universal Analytics, and HubSpot app, WhatsApp Cloud API, okay, and your Google signing, right? So all of these integrations, you can do it if you want to. They will give you a guideline on how to do it, but for my own store, I don't need it. I'm not doing it, okay? But if you want to use it, if you want to track your analytics using Google, you can integrate your Google Analytics. If you want to integrate Facebook Pixel, okay, in case you want to run ad, you can do that here. All right, but the store itself has its own analytics, okay. It will show you the number of people that visits your site, the number of views, okay. So I'm going to rely on that. When you click on your store dashboard, you're going to see the activities that went on your store. All right, so but if you want to integrate any of these, you just come to integrations and do the needful. All right, so the next here is theme. All right, so the theme talks about how you want your store to look like, the font, the branding, the color, the view. All right, if you want to change the font of your website, of your text, okay, you can do it here. If you want to change branding, okay, it says remove Vipa branding from your store footer. All right, order invoice and WhatsApp notification, you can do that, okay. You want to change color, all right, the color of your text, the color of your title and the rest, you can do that here. Let's allow it to load. All right, so you can see primary color and secondary color, you can do that. Now this is the view, okay. If you want your store to view in the list view, or if you want it to view appear like grid view or compact view, okay, you can do that. All right, when you do, you save and you go to your store, reload it and see how it looks like. All right, so this is all about the settings and the overview of your store. All right, so we'll be looking at setting up your store properly, okay, adding your price, adding your pictures, categories, and every other thing needed to have a functional store. So we'll be creating our categories and adding products to these categories. All right, so let's click on categories first and let's create categories. So I'll click on categories, click on add categories. So I'll be calling this category handbags, okay, handbags. All right, I'll click on create. I can ignore the featured image, I can as well add it later. All right, I will click on the plus icon to add another one. I will call it shoes, okay, click on create. Then the third category, let me call it GT2 products. All right, I'll click on create. So we have 3 categories here, okay. So let's go back to the dashboard and we'll be adding our products to these different categories that we have created. Okay, so let's add our products. Click on products. Okay, now you can see under products, you will see the 3 different categories that we have created. So let's begin with the handbags. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake. Let's correct this category, handbags, not handbags. Okay, handbags. Okay, beautiful. So let's go back to products, click on handbags. Let's start with handbags. So we'll be uploading products to the handbag category. Okay, you select handbag, click on add products. All right, so it brings us here to this inventory section. Okay, so put simple, we choose simple. All right, so at this point, okay, let's add the name. Let's add the name. Let's say beautiful casual bag. Okay, the price, this is the selling price. Selling price has to do with the actual price we want to sell. Okay, let's say it's 5,000 naira. So if I should put regular price, something like 10,000, so they'll be showing the person 50% off, but I just want to put it as regular price. Okay, now description, let's go to description and then put this beautiful bag fits shopping. Okay, SKU means stock keeping unit. Is optional, but you can as well put it maybe something like SKU, something like this 001. Okay, so it's available. You click on create. All right, so now we're going to add media, that is image. Click on add media, click on choose from gallery. Okay, so I'll be choosing my image from this store images. Okay, I will select where my image is. Okay, so you should know where the pictures you want to add are in your gallery. Okay, so I will select this. Now click on done. I will click on upload. Alright, so we have added our image to this product. Okay, so if you want to add more images to this product, maybe you have a product that you want to show the front view, the side view, the back view, you can click on this icon below and add more images. Okay, so the next thing is to add badges. You can add a badge. You can say this is a new product or a new arrival. Okay, you select new arrival, right? Then charges, if you have any charge you want to do, you can add it. Okay, so for now I'm not adding any extra charge apart from the normal amount that this product costs. Okay, the next thing is the stock, how many. Okay, so you can say this product has 2 in stock. Okay, so reviews, no reviews yet. So we have successfully added this. You click on save. Okay, so we can go back. Okay, so you can see we have one product here. So I will quickly add 5 products to each of these categories. So I'll be doing that quickly, following the same steps. Under handbags, I'll click on plus, I'll click on simple. Okay, I'll click on the title and I'll put it red handbag. Okay, let's say, let me put this 5,000 and I'll put here 3,000. Okay, so description, beautiful red handbag. Okay, SKU, I can say this is SKU 002. Okay, so I'll click on create quickly. So it brings me to the media where I need to add the image. Okay, choose from gallery. Alright, I'll select where my image is, select this red handbag, click on done, click on upload. Let's wait for it to upload. Alright, so we can add badges or add more images. Click on badges, select new arrival. Okay, charges, no, stock,
we'll say we have 3 in stock. Okay, we click on save. All right, so we have 2 products under handbags. Okay, so I'll be adding one more product under shoe. Okay, I'll add one more product under shoe, add one product under digital products, and I will hasten this process to add at least 5 products under each of them, 3 to 5 products under each of them. So let's add that of shoe. Okay, I'll click on simple. All right, I will say men's corporate shoe. Okay, so I'm going to say 3,000. Okay, I'm going to say black men's shoe. Okay, quickly, I just want to do this quickly. SKU, right, 003. Okay, so click on create. Let's add media quickly. Okay, let's choose this black shoe. All right, upload. Okay, I can decide not to add any badge this time around. Okay, charges, no charge. Stock, see, this is just 1 or 2 in stock. Save. All right, so let's go back. So we have 1 product under shoes. Okay, we have 2 under handbags. I'm going to add 1 under GT2 products quickly. Okay, I'm going to say GT2 products. Okay, name, let me say SPD bundle cost, right? Regular price is 10,000, but I'm giving it for 5,000. Okay, 50% off. Get 6 in 1 courses. Okay, all right, so link for more details, I will ignore it, optional. Right, click on create. Okay, let's add media. I will select this, go to where my image is, I will select this, done. Okay, upload. Okay, we have our image here. Let's click on badges. All right, just keep it on bestseller. Charges, no charges, stock. Let's leave the stock. Okay, content. Okay, let's see what we have here. Says name. So let's add the name. Okay, we're going to call it SPD bundle cost. Okay, now remember that this is a G2 product. We selected G2 product, right? So let's say 6 in 1 digital product. Okay, so you can say, you can upload an image from the gallery again, right? Let's do that quickly. Okay, good. Okay, all right, let's click on create. Okay, it says upload file. Okay, so at this place you have to upload a file. If since it's a digital product, you need to upload the file. Okay, so we're going to use external URL. So you click on this external URL so that you can redirect them to where they can get the GT2 product after successful payment. Okay, click on URL. So here let's just put HTTP. All right. Okay, let's just put it hash. Okay, click on. Okay, it says valid. Enter a valid URL. Let's just say digital.com. Okay, so once they make payment, okay, for your GT2 product, they're going to be redirected here to get the GT2 product. You click on create. All right, so we have created the content. Let's check the image once again. We need to re-upload the image. All right, click on save. Okay, so we have the review here. There is nothing to review. Okay, we have our content. You can view it. When you click on view, it will open on a browser, redirecting you to where they can get the product. Okay, so make sure that the external URL leads them to where they can get the product. It could be your landing page where they will click to contact you, or it could be a Google Drive file link where they can click to download it. All right, so now we have successfully added both a GT2 product and a physical product. Okay, all right, so I will be adding more products to these different categories. Okay, so I want you to remember that while adding a product, you will be asked if it is a simple product, a variable product, or a GT2 product. Okay, now the first two products that we added were simple products. The third one was GT2 product. Okay, while a variable product has to do with uploading the same product with different variables. Okay, let's take for example that you have a bag to sell, and that bag has red color, white color, blue color. So you can choose variable products and upload all the different colors or sizes so that the buyer can make his or her selection. Okay, so right away I'll be adding more GT2 products here, more GT2 products under shoes and under handbags. Okay, so I'll be doing that quickly. All right, so we have finished adding all the products to our store and to the different categories that we have. Okay, each of these categories have 5 products each. Okay, so we have finished doing that. So let's view our store. Let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, so you can either copy this link and save it somewhere in your notepad or anywhere in your phone as your store link. Okay, and you can as well click this arrow with a square sign, okay, to visit your store. Let's click it. Okay, now you can see our store is ready, is loading. Right, this is our store. You can see home page, you can see categories. These are categories. Okay, then these categories, you're not seeing any image here because I did not add any image category. All right, you can see cart. Cart is if anybody has selected any item. All right, then this is login for those who want to log in to make payment. They can log in with their WhatsApp number. All right, so this is home page. This is what they see first. Now you can see this banner. This is a banner image. Okay, this is the list of all our items. Okay, this is the footer. You can see the link that we added here below. You can see the description of our store. All right, then you can see all items. You can see
the category digital products, you can click on it and it will move to this category. You can click on shoes. Okay, you see the list of shoes. Click on handbag. Okay, so now you may be asking, how did I add this banner image here? So I'll be showing you that quickly. So just go back to your app. All right, you just go to banners under store. You go to banners. All right, so you're going to see these are the images I've added, the banner images. So you can edit this and you can add a URL. So when I add a link here, when they click on it, it's going to lead them to another page or lead them to where that link is directing to. So you can use that banner space to advertise. Okay, you can use it to advertise your courses, your giveaway, and any other thing you want to do. All right, so but for this I did not add any URL redirecting them to somewhere else. You can as well move this. Okay, when you click on this 3 horizontal lines with 2 edged arrow, okay, you can drag this up. You will see this function to drag it up. Okay, and when you drag it up, it means that this one comes first. Okay, when we reload our website, you see that this one comes first. All right, so now when we click on categories, you will see that there is no category picture, but when you tap on them, they have five items each. Okay, so if you want to add a category picture, simply go back to your app. Okay, click on categories. You can see that there is no image here. I did not add any picture. Okay, so I'll be doing that quickly. I will click on the category I want to add a picture, and then I will click on this image icon that is optional. Okay, so I will do that to add the picture quickly. I'll click on it and I will click on choose from gallery. All right, I've added the image. I'll click on save. Okay, so we have added a category image. Now let's do that for the shoes and handbags quickly. Okay, click on this image icon, click on choose photo. Right, let me look for the place that the photos are. Okay, store images. Okay, so I'm going to be selecting this for the shoes. Okay, I'll click on save. All right, let's do that of the handbags. Click on it. Click on this. Choose image from gallery. So let me select this. Okay, save. All right. Okay, so we have our category images added. So let's go back to our store to see the changes. So let's reload our store. Click on categories. Can you see? Beautiful. Okay, so this is how our store looks like. All right, so I'll be walking you through the last phase of setup that you need to do on your store. Okay, but I also encourage you to play around with this app and get used to it and its functionalities. Okay, feel free to play around with it. So the last phase of settings we're going to do is to add our WhatsApp number, set it up properly. Okay, then we're also going to work on the payment gateway, adding a payment gateway, and we're going to work on the checkout. All right, so let's scroll down to settings and click on WhatsApp contact number. Okay, this is my contact number. You click on it, then I need you to turn on these icons. Okay, and you click on save. All right, let's go back. You can put your name here. Okay, David. All right, admin. Let's say this is admin, designation admin. Okay, so you click on save. If you want to add your picture, you can do that. So you can see that we have a WhatsApp icon and we have a call icon. All right, so let's go back to our dashboard. Okay, so we're going to configure our gateway payment. So before we do that, I want us to configure the checkout. Okay, click on checkout. Now, most importantly, let's check add-ons. If you have any add-on, maybe you want to cross-sell or you want to upsell something, you can add it here. Okay, but then we're not working with add-on. Let's check forms. So these forms, these are the things you require your buyers to fill while trying to purchase with your app or from your store. Okay, so I'm going to tap on this name. I need their name, I need their email, I need their address. Okay, and you can use landmark for those that are doing physical product and you will do delivery. Okay, you can choose city, state, country. Okay, then you can leave a note so that they can give you a note. All right, so you click on save. All right, we have done this. Then the next settings I want to do under checkout is settings. All right, let's look at settings. Okay, if you have any checkout note you want to drop, you can do that. You can maybe put your account number here and say, if you try making payment online and it does not work, kindly use our account number to make payment and we will reach out to you. After payment, send a screenshot to this number. So you can write a note and drop it here so that whenever they are checking out, they can read the note. If it is important to them or something that they need to take note of, they will do that. All right, so the next one is your WhatsApp. Okay, here it says WhatsApp checkout. Let your customer place an order via WhatsApp message without going through OTP verification process. OTP means one-time password. So I'm going to check this on. Okay, and I'm going to click save. All right, then let's look at mobile number. Okay, it says mobile number. Allow customers to check out with their mobile number while checking out. If user selects a payment gateway other than pay later, we will ask for a mobile number. Okay, fine, this is okay. All right, so these are the settings I want to do so far on the checkout. If you want, you can choose to reset anything that will suit your store. Okay, so I will go back. Then the next phase of settings we are going to do is the payment settings. Okay, so here we'll be configuring our payment settings. This pay later, let's look at how it works. Let's click on settings. Okay, here says pay later. Description says please order quickly, pay at your convenience. Okay, so this is people who want to pay later, maybe through bank transfer, or they just want to place a reservation. All right, if you want to change this description text, you can do that. So the next thing we'll be doing is to add a payment gateway. You can use Stripe, you can use RezoPay, you can use Paystack, you can use Flutterwave. Now Flutterwave and Paystack works for at least 5 to 7 African countries. Okay, so if you are watching from any of these African countries and your country supports Paystack and Flutterwave, you can use any of them. Okay, if your country supports Stripe, you can use it as well. If your country supports PayPal, you can use it as well. So, but for this tutorial, I'll be using Paystack to do my settings. Okay, so I'll click on settings. I'll click on enable. So for me to enable, I need to log into my Paystack to get my publishable key, secret key, and place this webhook in my Paystack account. So I'll be doing that, and to do that, I need to go to my browser. Okay, so I'll open my browser. I'll go to Paystack. Please
remember that this works on your computer too. Okay, this works on your computer. So I will click on Paystack. Now click open. So you can use your computer to set up your store, or you can use your phone like I'm using. Alright, so I will be logging into my Paystack account. I'll be logging into my Paystack account so I can do the final setup. Click on login. So at this point, I will pause this video to enter my email address and password. Okay, all right, my account has opened. Okay, so I will be completing the setup. Please ignore this notification on my account. It's because I've not used Paystack for a very long time. It's getting to 2-3 years now. I've not used Paystack, so I'm going to contact their customer support to reactivate my account when I'm ready. But I want to show you how you can configure your Paystack with your WhatsApp store. Right, so click on this icon, person icon, okay, human icon at the top right side corner of your screen that has an arrow pointing downwards. Okay, when you click on it, you click on profile. I'll be showing you how to do it with Flutterwave as well. Okay, I'll show you how to configure Flutterwave. Now you click on API keys and webhooks. Okay, so at this point you are going to concentrate on this API configuration live mode. If you are using test mode, you use this, but we are doing live mode. Let's just set it up completely. Okay, so you can click on this your live secret key to see it, but I'm not going to do that. I'll just tap on it. Okay, I will tap on it. Okay, it says enter your password to see this. I want to copy it, so I'll be pausing this video to copy it out. Alright, so I have copied my live secret key. Okay, and I'm going to paste it on my WhatsApp store settings. Okay, so let's go back. Right, let's return to payments. Let's go to Paystack settings, turn it on. Okay, secret key, I will tap here and paste. Okay, then publishable key. Let's go back to our Paystack. So this is my publishable key, this live public key. I will copy it. Right, back to my WhatsApp store app. Okay, I'll click on it and I'll paste. All right, so the next thing I will do is to copy my webhook. I will copy it, this webhook, I will copy it and I will go back to Paystack and paste it. Okay, so here I am and I will paste it here, this live webhook. I'm going to paste it. I'll click on save changes here. Okay, it says updated, you can see that. Then I have to go back to my WhatsApp store app to save it as well. Alright, so here I'll click on save. Okay, we are done. So Paystack is enabled. I'll be showing you quickly how to configure Flutterwave at the same time. Alright, in case you want to make use of Flutterwave. So I'm here on my Flutterwave and I'll be logging in and we'll configure our Flutterwave with our WhatsApp e-commerce store. Okay, so I have successfully signed in into my Flutterwave. Alright, so I'm going to click on main menu. Okay, I'll click on settings. Alright, I will click on API keys. Okay, so this is my Flutterwave API key. Alright, as you can see. So I'll be copying these keys. We have the live API keys, we have the test API keys. So I'll be using the live API keys. So first of all, I will copy the public key. Okay, I will copy this, then go back to my WhatsApp app store. Okay, let's click on settings, Flutterwave. Let's set it up. Right, so here I'll be pasting the public key. Okay, now next is to get the secret key. So I'm going to copy the secret key here. Alright, I've copied it. So I'll paste it here. Okay, I'll paste it here. So next is to put the live encryption key. Alright, I'm back to my Flutterwave and I will copy the encryption key. Okay, I've copied it. So I'll be pasting it here on this store. Okay, alright, so we are going to copy this webhook. Okay, we'll copy it and we'll go back to our Flutterwave to add it there, and we'll save it here. Alright, so I'm back on my Flutterwave and I'll click on webhooks. Okay, so here I will just paste this webhook here. Alright, I will paste it here and I'll click on save. It says settings updated successfully. Okay, so I'm back to my WhatsApp e-commerce store app and I'll click on save. Okay, so we have successfully enabled Paystack and Flutterwave. So it is important for you to use one because they are all serving the same function. I just showed you how to integrate Paystack if you are using Paystack and how to integrate Flutterwave if you are using Flutterwave. So at this point we have set up everything that we need to get our store functioning. Okay, so our store is ready. All right, our store is ready. I can decide to make Flutterwave the main gateway, so I'll be turning off that of Paystack. Okay, all right, let me turn it off and save. Okay, so I have Flutterwave enabled and Pay Later enabled. Okay, so this is how to set up your own WhatsApp e-commerce store. So you can share this link to your friends on WhatsApp through your broadcast message, through your WhatsApp status. Okay, now if you are using business WhatsApp, there is an option for you to add your website, so you can as well add your WhatsApp store link there and people can easily go there and connect with you and buy your products easily, quickly, with their phone without so much stress. All right, so this is how to set up your WhatsApp e-commerce store. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the support group. Okay, and feel free to play around this app. Okay, play around the app and test your store. After you have set it up, make sure you test it and see how it functions.
Alright, so look at how your store works. If somebody wants to make payment or purchase a particular product, so the person comes to your store, right, and clicks one of your items and add it to cart. Okay, now the person clicks on cart. Okay, and it brings the person to where the person needs to fill in his details and proceed to payment. Alright, so the person clicks on address. Okay, now at this point what the person needs to do is to enter his or her delivery address. Okay, so the person can enter his name, his email address, landmark. All right, so then the person will click on continue. These names you are seeing here are just names that I added. Okay, so they are not real names, they are not real emails. I'm just using it for experiment to show you how this thing works. So you click on continue, the buyer clicks on continue. Now at this point he makes payment. He either pays online or he places an order to pay later. Okay, now when he clicks pay later, okay, and click on place order, there is going to be a notification. They will send you a notification, the store owner, that somebody just placed order. All right, let's try it. And the person puts his WhatsApp number. So I'm just going to create a WhatsApp number. This WhatsApp number is not real. Okay, let me try my WhatsApp number. All right, so I'll click on place order. Let's see what happens. Okay, can you see somebody placed order? Okay, this is a notification on my app. Okay, my WhatsApp store app. So this is it. So this person places order and can continue by either clicking here to chat me up, or the store owner chats the person up. Okay, now let's go back to see what happens if the person chooses to pay online. All right, so click on cart, select the item first, click on cart, then address. You see this default address that I added. Okay, they are not real. Click on continue. But if the person wants to buy, the person has to put in his or her real details. Now we click on Flutterwave to pay online. We click on pay now. Okay, so let's still put our phone number. All right, click on place order. Let's see what happens. Okay, so the store owner gets a notification. Okay, and the person will be redirected to Flutterwave to make payment. You can see the Flutterwave app is trying to load. The payment gateway is trying to load. Can you see? This is the email the person added. So the person can now make payment with his card. Okay, or the person can change payment method and pay with bank or any payment method that he or she chooses. All right, so when a person makes payment, he will be redirected to the page or the part of the store where he will access the product. Okay, and the store owner will receive a confirmation or a notice that somebody has just made payment. All right, so this is how it works. Okay, so but for now I'm going to cancel this. Okay, I hope you now understand how this WhatsApp store works. It is also important for you to know that there are other apps that can do this. Okay, there are other apps that can do this, and in subsequent times in the support group I will be referring or recommending some of these apps. Okay, and you can try them, and anyone that suits you best, you can continue with it. So when you have created your store link, all you need to do is to copy your store link and send it to people who ask you about your products and services, and they can go there to buy it. Okay, you can as well post your store link on your WhatsApp business settings at the website area section, and as long as you advertise your products and services on your status or via broadcast message or via any social media platform, make sure to add your store link for them to go and check out your products. All right, so thank you, and I hope you make full use of the knowledge that you've gotten in this video, and don't hesitate to ask questions in the support group.